That might be personality. Okay, hopefully my lighting's better this time. So this is going to be thrift store finds, and we go to a couple different ones locally, and then also, you know, of course, your Goodwills. So this is what I found. Super excited. Oh yeah, got such a sweet deal on this book. I don't know what book it is, but anyways, it's old. I wonder how old it is. 1939. Copyright 1938. I think the date is like 1920 something. I have a book around here that has the date on it. Anyway, so look at that! Sheet music. Adoration and praise. Thy Trinity. Resurrection. Look at that. Oh, so amazing. Amazing. So that's gonna be fun, right? Okay, and then I found this one. Real interesting cover. Library of American History. We're actually not going to make a journal out of this one. We're actually going to see what it says. It's so crazy. Some of the most demonic looking things I've noticed. But I have a feeling, look at this. I'm going to be able to find out a lot of information reading this little book here. See, you feel me? Volume 5. Anyway, so that's that. Inspired color travel. Isn't that cool? Look at this. Okay, that was not it. Those elephants, not the pyramids. Goodness. Here we go. Cool. There might be some things I can use in there. Radio Music Library. Fun, huh? Look at that. So cool. World Atlas. Look at that. It has a lot of this script, but that's okay because all these places still need prayer. It's just listed now. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, pray. Pray. In the name of Jesus. Bless all these people, all these pages. Lord, heal the United States of America. In the name of Jesus, heal our country, heal our land. Heal all these lands, Father, all of these lands. Do you see what this is the purpose of these journals. Heal all of our land, the world, Lord. Another one. Another music. Isn't that cool? And an encyclopedia. We did like extraordinary on this trip. And this one is a really old one. I love how big the pages are. So, I can't wait till my daughter gets here today. She's going to help me put all this inventory away. Found this beautiful stuff. Needed that. And then I found some other fabrics. So, isn't that cool? And it's a curtain. So, but it's perfect for what I need it for, which y'all know. Okay, so there's that. And then, love this pattern. See, and I know someone got rid of it because they don't know how to get ink out. But I have stuff that removes it. And I'll have to share my secrets with you. It's easy. It's called Soil Love. I'll get the bottle. I have to put it in a video. Pillowcase. Isn't that pretty? And then these were really cool. They actually have butterflies in them. And I think this, it looks like a tablecloth. So cool. See those butterflies? Aren't those cute? This reminded me of Bernie. Cute, huh? So I ended up getting 2 of those. 2 of those. Yay. And I also got, I got tons and tons and tons and tons of books. So I know I showed you other books, but I got some just like that I can make journals out of super easy. Like the colors, love the colors. This one I'm going to cover completely. And then, nice. And I just got these out. Got out the pages. And then make journals. Cool. Probably some sermon notes journals in these ones that are this size. So we will see. Okay. So that's where we're at. Next, I'm going to show you all the garage sale finds. Okay, I'm back with our garage sale finds. And man, isn't that a pretty yellow? It reminds me of my grandma Hersina. Isn't it funny how things remind you of people? Also, these little roses. Oh my goodness. These remind me of my mom and all of my aunts. I don't know why, but I just remember little roses. So I found these. I was ecstatic. They were like all... And I was like, oh, are these for sale? And she was like, yes. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have them. Look at... I wish my lighting was better up there, but everything looks better down here anyway. So let me show you how cute these are. Isn't that cute? And of course I got my jar ready. Aren't those cute? So I can just add these onto... That's always good to have. Oh, look at these tiny roses. Those are cute. Isn't that fun? So... Cute. So there's that. Little tiny roses. My aunt, she's actually sending me larger roses, which I'm really excited about for like the front of the journals. And so, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, I almost didn't get a big enough jar, y'all. I just made it. Look how tiny these are. Oh my goodness. They're so tiny. Look how tiny. Like someone's hands had to hurt making them that little. Okay, so those are going in the milk crate, which I'll have to show you guys my milk crates. So you can see how I keep all my stuff organized. Okay, moving on. Garage. So I found this natural cork, which I thought that'd be cool. Don't know what I'm gonna need it for. I never know. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Thought that was cool. And then I found this, which I love. Oh, I love my garden themes. Oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Look at these flowers. Look at that. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so awesome, right? Awesome. And we got another fabric coming. Oh, I got, of course, anything that looks kind of like that, I work it out. Then I got these for my friend, which I totally forgot to give them to her because she makes the plant holders, so she can just convert those. See? Telling you, we are all about recycling. Otherwise, people just throw this stuff away. So we just go to garage sales. Then I got a couple books. Now I love the size because, and I really wish I could find more of these. I know there was a time where everyone was doing these as junk journals. I feel like 2 years ago, and they're really awesome size. They really are. And so here's another one. Sweet. And another antique book. This one though, what is this? Cells and Societies. So there's that. And then for my girlfriend Lorraine, which I forgot to tell her about, I got her these silicone molds for the soap, so we could do some in a totally random size. Yay! I finally did it, y'all. I got all my stuff videoed. Oh no, I didn't. I got some extra stuff fabric, but I did get it mostly done. So huge accomplishment. Yay, yay, yay. So glad that I was able to share with y'all. We got the little roses. So there you go. That was the garage deal. Find of a lifetime. How about that? Yay. All right. Okay. All right, I found some stuff that I just had tucked under my desk. So this is from LaShonda. This is 2016, but it's cool because I can cut off all the top. And so, pretty cool, huh? Do those. And then this was a part of that donation from Kelly from that house that she cleaned out. And this was a giant ledger that was in there. So that's pretty cool. It also had a whole bunch of file folders that I haven't figured out what to do with yet, but I'm looking it up. So I found these randomly at Goodwill, and I was shocked. Look at this. All butterflies. My favorite. Oh, my favorite. And two of my other friends' favorite, Bernie and Laura. Look at all these roses. Is that cool? Look at that. Aren't those going to be nice? I mean, I know they'll be folded, but still, you can still color them. So cool. I'll figure it out. And then more. What is this? There's a piece of tissue in there. Like a tissue paper. Tracing paper. Oh, wow. Is this my husband? I gotta talk to him about that. What did he is, maybe that's not him. Maybe that's somebody else. Wow, okay. Mystery on camera. I'm gonna call Ronnie about that. Activity song, but that was underneath here. I think that's somebody else. And then it says Eve. Oh, it was the E. They were working out the I-E-V. I have to take a picture of this. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna put that up there. Okay, activity song and verses. So, sheet music. Cool. More sheet music. Oh, wait. I don't know if we're going to use this one. The women who glorified music. Oh, and the man who murdered it. Ooh. Not good. Okay, dough. So anyways, We'll have to investigate. See if we think this is good or not. Pretty cool, huh? And then, look at that. This is where my friend is from. My friend Kelly is from here. Where is this? Oh, somebody's handwriting. Look at all that, though. Yeah. So cool. You won't even believe the price I got these for. And it wasn't that price. So I found it at a Christian thrift store. Isn't that cool? Look at that. It's just like endless maps over here. And then I saw this, and it's sheet music. It's more. So I just gotta look through it and make sure look at that. Amazing, huh? So I believe that is it. So see you in the next one.